Hello, young germs. Welcome to Insects Galore, an exciting adventure where you will discover the amazing world of farm animals and insects in the sandbox. This fun journey is perfect for curious kids who love exploring and learning about the tiny creatures that buzz, crawl, and flutter around the farm. In this adventure, you will meet friendly farm animals. Let's begin watching. Meet the alligator in action. Alligators are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is dependent on the external environment. They bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature and become more active in warmer conditions. Spotting the playful meerkat. Meerkats are highly social animals and live in groups called mobs or clans. These groups can consist of 20 to 50 individuals and they mark together to ensure the safety and well-being of the group. Meerkats are omnivores. Animal Adventure Buffalo Edition. Buffaloes are large, herbivorous mammals belonging to the Bovidae family. There are two main types of buffalo, the water buffalo and the African buffalo. Native to various parts of Africa, living in a range of habitats from grassland to forest. Get ready to encounter the polar bear. Polar bears are strong swimmers and can swim for long distances. They use their front paws to paddle and their hind legs for propulsion. They are excellent hunters and use sea ice as a platform to hunt seals, primarily by watching near-breathing hawks. Quirks and charms of hamster. Hamsters have continuously growing incisor teeth, chewing on various objects, including food and specially designed chew toys. Helps them keep their teeth at a healthy length. Care and connection of rabbit. While rabbits can be active during the day, they are crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. Rabbits are known for their high reproduction rate. A female rabbit is capable of giving birth to a new litter every 30 days. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals. The trail of the mighty elephant. Elephants inhabit a range of environments. Both African and Asian elephants are listed as either vulnerable or endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. The enigmatic lives of deer. Deer are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, shoots, and woody plants. However, their diet can vary depending on the species. and the environment they inhabit. One of the most recognizable features of deer are their antlers. The amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. Time to explore the cute animal cow. Cows are social animals and often form close bonds with other members of their herd. They can become stressed if they are separated from their companions. Cows spend a significant amount of their time. They have a specialized digestive system. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments, from mountains to deserts. The gestation period for a goat is approximately 150 days. Female goats are called does. Meet the stag beetle up close. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can reach lengths of up to 4 inches. The lifespan of stag beetles is relatively short. Adults usually live for a few weeks to a few months, with most of their life spent as larvae underground. A journey into the secret life of honeybees. Honeybees are renowned for their production of honey by collecting nectar from flowers, which they then convert into honey through a process of regurgitation and evaporation. Honeybees are critical pollinators, playing a vital role in the pollination. Tiny predator scorpion in focus. Scorpions belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes spiders, ticks, and mites. Scorpions are ancient creatures with a fossil record dating back more than 400 million years. Most scorpions are venomous. Black and white chronicles of zebra. It's thought that the white and black stripes of a zebra help keep them camouflaged, as it can distract and confuse any predators such as lions. Did you know that lions are colorblind? So when they see a herd of zebras, it's confusing as everything is in black and white. Observing the striking yellow-black iguana. They are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America. Iguanas vary in size, but they are generally large lizards. Iguanas have long tails that they use for various purposes, and iguanas are herbivores. Understanding the role of snakes. Snakes are a reptile that have been around for approximately 100 billion years and evolved from prehistoric lizards. Snakes are found on every continent in the world except Antarctica. There are around 3,000 different species of snake in the world. The leopard gecko adventure begins. Leopard geckos are generally silent and they communicate through body language and pheromones rather than vocalizations. In the wild, leopard geckos primarily feed on insects and other invertebrates. In captivity, their diet is usually composed of crickets. Unraveling the mysteries of rams. These majestic animals are known for their impressive horns, dominant presence, and a strong wild nature. Rams belong to the family Bovidae and are most commonly found in the wild, roaming the mountains and grassland of various regions around the world. Rams are not just male sheep, they are social and powerful animals. The timeless beauty of horse. Throughout history, horses have played a critical role in human civilization, serving as transportation in agriculture and in various forms of labor. Equine therapy, also known as horse therapy, has been recognized for its therapeutic benefits in addressing various physical, emotional, and psychological issues in humans. A horse's hooves are made of keratin. Thank you for your time and dedication to watching Insects Galore, witnessing the wonders of farm animals and insects in the Sandbox episode. Subscribe now for the Insects Galore is all about discovering the wonders of nature and seeing how farm animals and insects live and work together. So grab your magnifying glass, get ready to explore and dive into the amazing world of farm animals and insects in the Sandbox. Keep your eyes peeled for more muddy adventures. See you later, tiny crew!